Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. You know I'm passionate about giving you practical tips to improve your health, and today we're tackling a topic that's close to my heart, literally. We're diving into 5 natural ways to strengthen your tooth enamel, the hard, protective layer that keeps your teeth strong and healthy. We're talking about simple, everyday strategies backed by science that can make a real difference in your oral health. Because let's face it, nobody wants to deal with cavities, sensitivity, or expensive dental procedures. So, if you're ready to give your smile the TLC it deserves, stick around. We're about to unlock the secrets to naturally strengthening your tooth enamel and keeping those pearly whites shining bright. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic dairy products. These staples of our diet are not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial for our overall health. From the young to the elderly, dairy products have something to offer everyone. We all know milk is good for our bones, but did you know it's also fantastic for your teeth? Yes, that's right. The same glass of milk that helps you grow taller and stronger also plays a crucial role in maintaining your dental health. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are packed with calcium and phosphates, 2 minerals that are essential for strong, healthy teeth. These minerals are the unsung heroes that work behind the scenes to keep your enamel robust and resilient. Think of these minerals as the building blocks of your enamel. They act like tiny construction workers, constantly repairing and fortifying the outer layer of your teeth. When you consume dairy products, the calcium and phosphates go to work, helping to remineralize and strengthen your enamel. This process is vital because it helps counteract the effects of acidic foods and beverages that can erode your enamel over time. It's like giving your teeth a little boost of protection against the daily grind of chewing and exposure to acids. Imagine it as a shield that guards your teeth from potential harm, ensuring they stay strong and healthy. And hey, who doesn't love a cold glass of milk or a delicious piece of cheese? These tasty treats are not just enjoyable but also serve a functional purpose in your dental care routine. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your teeth. You get to indulge in something you love while simultaneously giving your teeth the nutrients they need to stay healthy. But remember, not all dairy is created equal. Some options are better for your overall health than others. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options to keep your calorie intake in check. These choices provide the same dental benefits without the added calories and saturated fats. And if you're lactose intolerant, no worries. The market is full of lactose-free alternatives that are just as beneficial for your teeth. There are plenty of lactose-free dairy products available that offer the same great benefits for your teeth. So, you don't have to miss out on the dental advantages that dairy provides. So, next time you're looking for a tooth-friendly snack or beverage, reach for some dairy. Whether it's a glass of milk, a slice of cheese, or a serving of yogurt, your teeth will reap the benefits. Your enamel will thank you for it. By incorporating dairy into your diet, you're making a smart choice for your dental health and overall well-being. Next up, we have a true champion in the fight for strong enamel fluoride toothpaste. This humble tube of paste is more than just a minty fresh start to your day. It's a powerful ally in maintaining your oral health. You've probably heard me talk about the importance of brushing your teeth twice a day, but let's delve into why fluoride toothpaste is non-negotiable in your oral hygiene routine. It's not just about keeping your breath fresh or your teeth looking white. It's about fortifying your teeth against the daily onslaught of acids and bacteria. Fluoride is a mineral that's been scientifically proven to strengthen tooth enamel and prevent cavities. This isn't just marketing hype, it's backed by decades of research and countless studies. It works by making your enamel more resistant to acid attacks from the sugars and bacteria in your mouth. Every time you eat or drink, your mouth becomes a battleground, and fluoride is your best defense. Think of it as an invisible shield protecting your teeth from harm. This shield isn't visible to the naked eye, but its effects are very real and very powerful. When you brush with fluoride toothpaste, the fluoride ions penetrate your enamel, making it stronger and more resilient. This process is like reinforcing a wall with steel beams, ensuring it can withstand external pressures. It's like giving your teeth a daily dose of armor against decay. Imagine suiting up in protective gear every morning and night. That's what you're doing for your teeth. But here's the catch. You need to use fluoride toothpaste consistently for it to work its magic. Skipping days or using non-fluoride toothpaste won't give you the same level of protection. That means brushing for a full 2 minutes twice a day, every single day. Set a timer if you need to, and make sure you're reaching every corner of your mouth, and don't forget to floss. Flossing is crucial because it removes food particles and plaque from between your teeth, where your toothbrush can't reach. This helps prevent cavities and gum disease. Flossing helps remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth, where your toothbrush can't reach, further protecting your enamel from acid attacks. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. So make fluoride toothpaste your trusty sidekick in the battle for a healthy smile. It's a small change that can have a huge impact on your dental health. It's an easy, affordable, and highly effective way to keep your enamel strong and your teeth cavity-free. With just a few minutes of care each day, you can ensure your smile stays bright and healthy for years to come. Alright, let's talk about a fun and surprisingly effective way to strengthen your enamel chewing sugar-free gum. Yes, you heard that right. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can actually benefit your teeth in a big way. Here's the science behind it. When you chew sugar-free gum, it stimulates saliva production in your mouth. Saliva is your body's natural defense against tooth decay. It helps neutralize acids, wash away food particles, and remineralize your enamel. Think of it like this. Chewing sugar-free gum is like giving your mouth a mini workout, boosting saliva flow, and creating a healthier environment for your teeth. But there's a catch. It has to be sugar-free gum. Chewing gum with sugar will actually have the opposite effect, feeding the bacteria in your mouth and increasing your risk of cavities. So, next time you're craving something sweet after a meal, pop in a piece of sugar-free gum instead. It's a simple, enjoyable way to freshen your breath, stimulate saliva production, and give your enamel a little extra love. Now let's move on to a group of foods that are nutritional powerhouses for your entire body, including your teeth leafy greens. These vibrant vegetables are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a treasure trove of nutrients that can significantly boost your oral health. We're talking spinach, kale, collard greens, and all their leafy green cousins. Each of these greens brings its own unique set of benefits to the table, making them an essential part of a balanced diet. These green superheroes are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to strong enamel and overall oral health. Vitamins like A, C, and K, along with minerals such as magnesium and potassium, play crucial roles in maintaining the health of your teeth and gums. One of the key nutrients found in leafy greens is calcium, which, as we learned earlier, is crucial for building and maintaining strong enamel. Calcium helps to remineralize the enamel, making it more resistant to decay and erosion. But leafy greens don't stop there. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your mouth from harmful bacteria and inflammation. They also contain folic acid, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in cell growth and regeneration, including the cells in your gums and mouth. Folic acid helps to reduce gum inflammation and can even aid in preventing gum disease. And let's not forget about the fiber content of leafy greens. Fiber is essential for maintaining good digestive health, but it also has a direct impact on your oral health. Chewing fiber-rich foods like leafy greens helps scrub your teeth naturally, removing surface stains and promoting saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense against cavities and gum disease, as it helps to wash away food particles and neutralize harmful acids. So, how can you incorporate more leafy greens into your diet? The possibilities are endless. You can start your day with a green smoothie, packed with spinach or kale for a refreshing and nutritious boost. You can add them to smoothies, salads, sandwiches, or even sauté them as a side dish. Leafy greens can be a versatile ingredient in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and casseroles. Get creative and experiment with different recipes to find what you enjoy most. Try mixing different types of greens to discover new flavors and textures that you love. Your teeth and your taste buds will thank you for it. By making leafy greens a regular part of your diet, you're not only enhancing your overall health but also giving your teeth the best possible care. Last but certainly not least, we have the simplest yet most powerful tool in your arsenal for strong enamel water. That's right, plain old H2O is an absolute game changer when it comes to oral health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps rinse away food particles and acids that can erode your enamel. Think of it like giving your mouth a refreshing shower, washing away all the debris that can harm your teeth. But the benefits of water go beyond just rinsing. Water also helps neutralize acids in your mouth, creating a more alkaline environment that's less hospitable to the bacteria that cause tooth decay. And here's a bonus tip. If you're drinking acidic beverages like coffee, tea, or soda, make sure to chase them with water to help neutralize the acids and protect your enamel. So, how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Make water your go-to beverage throughout the day, and your enamel will be forever grateful. There you have it, 5 natural ways to strengthen your tooth enamel backed by science. Remember, taking care of your oral health is an investment in your overall well-being. By incorporating these simple strategies into your daily routine, you can keep your enamel strong, your smile bright, and your dentist happy. Thanks for watching. If you want a surprising method used by professionals, click the link below to uncover a unique dental secret. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.